Hey guys, welcome back to another sweet episode with the Fit Couple Cooks. For the love of chocolate, I'm gonna make some amazing cookies baked to perfection, but not just with all-purpose flour. Yep, it's time to bake some cookies with cocoa powder and dark chocolate chips and a lot of more things. To all my chocolate lovers out there, I promise you, you won't regret this one. And guess what? It only takes 13 minutes to bake these babies, so let's get to some baking. And yeah, if you're wondering what this is all about, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you and let you know everything about it. Let's get started!
Here I have 1 cup of dark chocolate chips and 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of melted butter, and 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, very important, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of baking soda. So the ingredients are very simple, so don't worry about it. Now in a bowl, I'm adding both my sugar, white and brown, salt and melted butter, and I'm gonna whisk it really nicely until there are no lumps left and I get that creamy texture for just 5 minutes, and then we're ready to add our next ingredients. Now I'm adding vanilla essence and 1 egg, and I'm gonna whisk it really nicely. The color is gonna lighten up, but don't worry about it, it's all perfect. Time to add all-purpose flour, baking soda, and then cocoa powder. Once we add all these 3 ingredients, we're just gonna fold it very nicely, very gently, like about 12 to 15 folds, so that there are no dry flour left. And that's it, guys. It's almost very simple. I mean, the ingredients are so simple, but when you combine them, oh my god, they are fire. Seriously. So what you want to do is now add your chocolate chips, fold it again, fold it nicely, and refrigerate it for 30 minutes and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's it. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and scoop out the cookie dough, leaving 4 inches gap between every cookie dough, and bake it for exactly 13 minutes, and that's it, guys. Your cookie, amazing delicious cookie, is ready. So if you like my recipes, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.